Welcome everyone to our next online Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, I will explain you how to create serial number in a smart way. So most of us what we do, we type 1, then 2, then after we select both the cell and drag it down. So what is the demerit of this drag and drop down? Suppose I have to delete two cells, two row between 4 and 7. So I am deleting here two row. So you see the number serial number is not getting updated automatically over here. So what is the smart way? I'll tell you here to create the serial number. Type is equal to sign, then type row here, then open bracket, close bracket, then press -1, and then after press enter, then what you need to do, select it and drag it down. Then again try to delete something between this serial number. Suppose I am deleting here 7 and 8 row. So you can see the number serial number is getting updated automatically. So by this way you can create serial number in Excel quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.